Meanwhile, despite admitting that the St. Andrew Northwestern constituency has lacked a consistent standard-bearer from the People's National Party, the party's president, Dr. Peter Phillips, is urging constituents to support its candidate, Keisha Hay, because, according to him, she's there to stay. He claims that the constituency has been neglected for almost 4 decades. More in this report. The People's National Party campaign team in Marvelly St. Andrew shoring up support for candidate Keisha Hale. For PNP President Dr. Peter Phillips, St. Andrew Northwestern has been neglected since 1980 when the Jamaica Labour Party took control. Dr. Phillips believes it's a sign of disrespect that the only time constituents are remembered is when an election is called. He admitted, however, that the PNP is not without blame because the party's organisation in the constituency has been allowed to be run down over time, but that he claims will change.
I can tell you that Keisha has told me that she's here to stay. And I can tell you that the executive of your party is committed to rebuilding the organisation here in Northwest St. Andrew. It's not just an election something. Because
the PNP knows that wishful thinking won't be enough for Ms. Hale to secure victory. And this is why Party Chairman Fitz Jackson is urging voters to go out and cast their ballots. He's also hoping that the failure of the JLP to support a bill in Parliament targeting high banking fees will have conveyed to voters that the PNP, on the other hand, would never put the interest of special groups before that of the Jamaican people. Mr. Jackson told the PNP supporters that he has been speaking with JLP supporters who want to send a message to their party about this decision.
Listen, Mr. Jackson, when we vote on Monday for Keisha Hale, we will be sending a message to both JLP and PNP MP that if you don't stand on the side of the interest of the ordinary person, they will use the power of the ballot to send a message. When they vote for Keisha Hale on Monday, they intend to make that statement that they are voting to protect their interests. They are voting against those who don't stand with them.
As for Keisha Hale, she claims to be a warrior for the people and won't fail them.
Keisha Hale is the gleaner educator of the year for Jamaica. Keisha Hale is the Ubuntu awardee for Jamaica. Keisha Hale has been awarded by the UK. Keisha Hale has been awarded by the New York people. So I don't need to call nobody else name. I am a doctor for the people. Keisha Hale is a doctor for the people. So it's the Monday the 5th. Hello. It's the Monday the 5th. I can't teach you that. I can't sing. But let me tell you how I'm going to tell you. Step aside.